Got a chip in a chair here, boys, girls, ladies, and gents. We're at round number, though. It likes to bounce at round number. Will it push on through? You know what a smart thing to do. But it's so close. Smart thing to do would be to take that risk off just in case it wants to bounce. We just had a rapid push up. It stopped me out. Watch this number right here. That's the one I'm trying to get to 53. And that's where I have my take profit, where I have it. Right, we're revisiting round number. I'm going to sell one more when we get there. I'll sell one more right there. Now we only need $400 more from where we are. So that would be 2 plus 4 is 6. We don't even need to get down that far, I don't guess. Let's see what we got here. It won't hurt to go over a little bit as long as it's not over 1,500. Your consistency rule will still be there. Maybe we just take it at these wicks. That'd be 586. 600. I'm going to move it down. My math might be off. I need $200 more from there. Oh boy, there it went. Oh man, I'm $11 off. $11. Son of a gun, my math was wrong. Let's see if we can get $11 here on a bounce. That'd be 32 if we can get it. Come on, baby. Come on, bounce. You sorry dog. Oh, there it is. There it is. 5303, and that's how you fund an XFA, my friends.